Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Pulsechain using MetaMask. First, you will connect your MetaMask wallet to the Pulsechain network. Next, you'll bridge your existing assets from another chain, like Ethereum, over to Pulsechain. Finally, you'll swap those bridged assets for Pulsechain tokens on a decentralized exchange. This easy method ensures a smooth transaction process. To begin, you need to add the Pulsechain network to your MetaMask wallet. You can do this manually by entering the network name, RPC URL, chain ID, and currency symbol, which is PLS. Alternatively, a tool like Chainlist can simplify this process. Always ensure you have the correct network details to avoid any issues. Once your MetaMask is set up, the next step is to bridge your assets. Utilize the official Pulsechain bridge, often referred to as PulseRamp, to securely transfer tokens from Ethereum to Pulsechain. Choose the specific asset you want to bridge, confirm the transaction in your MetaMask wallet, and allow time for the transfer to process across the chains. With your assets now on Pulsechain, you can swap them for PLS. Navigate to a decentralized exchange on the Pulsechain network, such as PulseX, which is a prominent option. Select the asset you bridged and choose PLS as the token you wish to receive. Carefully review all transaction details, including any associated fees, before finalizing your swap.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.